This is another package from the Grimm Workshop. Last time I got tags. There's tags of lockpicking stuff, and I used them, enjoyed them. I still have them. I lost one of the tension rods. Not lost, it's in my couch somewhere. So definitely gonna have to look and find that, or just use these. But this comes in a card, and what is awesome about these cards, and what I find absolutely outstanding, see, it even says tension rod, and has multiple different possible tension rods, just in case, because you never know. And it has a saw, which works, and these are for picking out of handcuffs, which I don't have at this time. So, and what I was talking about is this black stuff right here, which is sticky, and you can replace the keys or the lock picking set back onto the card, and it stays firmly there, which is awesome. Absolutely awesome. So that is pretty cool. There's multiple different types of ways or lock pick tools in one card. And I mean, it's all basic lock picking tools that you're going to need. So it's a set in your card that you can put in your wallet. I also bought this bad boy right here. I don't know how to use it, so I'm going to figure out how to use it and then put it in my video. And then I also bought another thing for reboot. So the last card I bought had lures, and I thought it had hooks on it, which it didn't. So I bought this, which has hooks. It's a dog tag, and it has hooks for the lures. So that's reboot. Cannot wait to give that to them. They'll be happy. It came in this package right here. I always know what I'm getting or who it's from when it comes. The only company that packages their stuff, or what their product in this type of camouflage bag, is Grimm Workshop. I cannot wait every time. All right. Anyway, so today I'm going to pick another number 3 lock with the Grimm tools, lock picking tools. So with a master lock number 3, I'm going to take this and use this end, because it's pointy, as an actual pick. And then I'm going to take this end and use this as the tensioning rod, or tensioning bar, whatever you want to call it, and use it for tension. So it's good and firm in there. My proper finger placement, proper tool placement. Form is good. I got to stick it in there and readjust, because I screwed that one up. So I have the proper tension. Now I'm going to show you the proper way to insert the pick for the picking method. So you want to go in there like this, with applying pressure to that first pin, and you're going to apply pressure with the tensioning bar now, and kind of wiggle your way back and forth. Different angles so you get a better look. So proper tension is on, and then I am doing a blind pick, or what's called a blind pick. Kind of moved, and then we're going to do this again. readjust. That's not good. That's not bad at all. So just kidding. Put it back in there. And these are survival tools. So I mean, they're not meant to be repeatedly abused. They're meant to be used, but not repeatedly abused, I guess. Which makes sense, because something to remember that I just found out myself is proper placement of the tension bar. So if it's smaller diameter bar like this is, you put it in there, it's gonna twist. So you wanna make sure you're applying the correct amount of tension, but where you're applying the tension on the tension bar matters. So my finger is right there. I was putting tension here, which was making this bar twist without actually, twisting the barrel of the lock. So same thing applies here. Wiggle that right in there, and then apply some pressure. And I'm doing the blind pick. I'm doing the blind pick, which is, I'm counting, so I know there's already 5, but I'm feeling for every pin. See that's what I was talking about right there. It didn't, there we go. You gotta put it back in. There, you gotta put it back in, reset, and do it again. I mean, resetting is what pretty much what lock picking is resetting consistently. So I got pressure on the bar, the tension bar. Not feeling, kind of messing around, raking, not really raking. There it goes. Try this again. Just picking it back and forth. There we go. It popped. Now I'm going to pick it again with a different pick. I just used this. So now I'm going to use the tension N and use another pick. The next pick I'm going to use is this bad boy right here. Same idea, just a different pick. Just to show that these picks actually work. Oh, and I'm not cheating. Everything's reset on the lock, and tension bar is in. Oh, there we go. That was easier. Made the pick. Now I'm going to try the rake. This is the rake. The last time I tried this with these, I couldn't get the rake. I also had to go do some work related thing. But, so stick it in there, and you're just going to go back and forth really quickly, applying tension when needed. I have not mastered the rake yet. Ooh. I'm not one with a rake. Mainly because you need different types of tension for the tension bar with the rake. Okay, that's not gonna work. So I'm gonna put the rake down because that's one thing I learned. If it's not working, just you gotta switch it up or change, do something else. Now, see, you can see the lock is not cheating. And I'm going to use either the color rake or a worm. Oh, no, I didn't even try anything. Let's try that one again. Didn't even do anything and it popped. I'm just that good. So, not cheating. Everything's in. I just have the tension bar in. And then I'm going to put this directly in there. Oh, now it's going to give me a hard time. Not hard enough. Boom. All right, different type of worm, rake, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, so that was too easy. Gonna do it again. Oh, this one's giving me a hard time. Flip it over. There we go. Go back to the one that got me, the one that gave me a hard time, and see what I can do. That's it. So, not cheating. Put it in there. Tension bar in there. Tension wrench. I like that better. Oh, not a hard time. So when you try that again, you're not cheating. Everything's reset. Bam. So these tools do work, and they will save your life in a no shit there you are situation. Made in the United States, the US of A, by a company that's worth giving praise to. It's an awesome company, affordable products that actually work, which is awesome. So bam.